Join me as I dive deep into the world of SOUN stock and try to predict whether it's going to soar or crash in the future. SOUN stock has been on investors' radars lately, and for good reason. As a company operating in a rapidly evolving industry, its stock performance could be a telling indicator of broader market trends. With all the fluctuations in the market, understanding SOUN's position and potential is more crucial than ever. SOUN stock is currently facing some tough challenges. One major issue is the increasing competition in its sector, with several new players entering the market and vying for market share. This heightened competition could potentially slow down SOUN's growth if it doesn't innovate quickly enough. Another challenge is the overall market trend, which has been quite volatile recently. This volatility can affect investor confidence and, in turn, impact SOUN's stock performance. Furthermore, regulatory changes could also play a significant role in how SOUN navigates its future. Keeping an eye on these regulatory shifts will be crucial for the company's strategy. The financial performance of SOUN has shown some promising signs despite these challenges. The company has reported a steady increase in revenue over the past few quarters, which is a positive indicator of its health and potential for growth. Additionally, SOUN has been investing heavily in research and development, focusing on creating innovative products that could give it an edge over competitors. Its market positioning also seems strong, with a solid customer base and a recognizable brand. These factors combined suggest that SOUN has a robust foundation to build upon. When we look at forecasts and expert opinions, there's a compelling case to be made for SOUN's potential to soar. Some analysts predict that the company's innovative approach and strong financials will allow it to outperform its competitors and achieve significant growth in the coming years. Data also suggests that SOUN's sector is poised for expansion, which could further boost its prospects. Moreover, if SOUN successfully navigates the challenges ahead, it could see a substantial increase in its stock value. Expert opinions are varied, but the overall sentiment seems to lean towards a positive outlook for SOUN. In summary, SOUN stock's future seems to hinge on its ability to innovate, navigate market challenges, and capitalize on its strong fundamentals. With a solid financial performance, promising innovations, and a favorable market outlook, there are several factors that could drive its stock to soar. We'd love to hear your thoughts on SOUN stock. Share your opinions in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock analysis, be sure to check out our video on another promising stock that's making waves in the market.